When thinking about nighttime driving performance, you automatically think about auxiliary lighting like driving lights and light bars. But what we typically forget is that we can also upgrade our factory headlights. Within our range of LED upgrades, we have our Copper Head series and our projectors. The key difference with our Copper Head series is that it's designed to fit most applications of headlights. With our projectors, they are specifically designed and optimized for projector style housings. They're an easy low budget option with hassle-free installation that you should be able to wrap up in your garage in 15 minutes. Our LED upgrade globes are designed with a 5700 Kelvin color temperature in mind, which is a pure white. This closely aligns to our range of driving lights and light bars. We have positioned our LED chips to identically reflect a halogen globe. This ensures that there are no discrepancies in light projection and there are no artifacts in the light. This is also an effective solution for those who already have LED driving lights or light bars installed in their vehicle, offering you a high-performing low beam for when situations don't allow you to operate your driving lights and light bars, allowing you to continue your travel safely. For those vehicles with existing HID setups in their vehicle, we also offer an OE upgrade for those. We have a 35 watt plug and play solution that fits into your existing ballast, which offers significant performance over a 25 watt factory bulb. Make sure you stay tuned to all our social media. For any queries on products and installation, feel free to contact our customer support team, who are always happy to help.